finally caught a bass to record. Sorry, dude. Chill. Chill. Jesus Christ. Chill. Chill. There you go. Mean guy. Alright, I want some guesses as to how big this fish is. There's my hand. Very beautiful fish. Look at that, this fin move. That tail, real pretty. Hooked him with this. I think that's the first bass with this new bait caster. I use that, use a crankbait. So, here it is, in all her glory. Let's see how she releases. There it goes. Ooh, this is Ragnar. He's probably going to be in a lot of episodes, so say hi to Ragnar. Already catching bass. Just releasing one. Nice, safe release. Oh shoot. Looks like I got a little bit of fish blood onto my phone. Oops. Just get that off me. Okay. Well, I'll update y'all when I catch another fish.